Hey folks, good morning. Somewhere around 7:38ish on the Mysore highway. So as you can see, we have stopped at a quick pit stop for having the breakfast. Uh, it's called Renuka Hotel. I'm not much aware of what it has, but I see this piping hot idlis, vada, and also the rice bath. So today we are en route to Shivanasamudra. So to see the waterfalls, both Barachukki and Gaganchukki. So as we go en route, I'll also tell you, did a small little work on why it is called Gaganchukki, why it is called Barachukki. So yeah. So we're having vada here, very crispy, and you can actually see the tomato and coconut chutney, a lot of red chili in there, right? Okay. So yeah, we are just done with our breakfast. One interesting thing I saw is, I think Renuka is a famous, or I mean, I believe so. There are multiple Renukas, just like we face it in Hanumantu. If you remember in our previous vlog, right? So there are a lot of Renukas. Hopefully, I'm presuming we ate at the proper Renuka. But yeah, for the food on that place, it felt little expensive. The vada was like what each vada was 20 rupees, and then the tatte idli is 30 rupees. I felt idli is still okay, but yeah, vada 20 rupees was little on the higher side comparing it to the size. But yeah, I mean, climate is really good today. We were actually supposed to go yesterday, but because of some reasons, right? With Farah, it's always like that. The life is full of adventure, uncertainty, right? So yeah, so we are hoping that in the next hour or so we should be there. We thought we'll go on Friday because there'll be less public and we'll be able to do a better video. But let's see what best we can do today so that we bring you what both Gaganchukki and Barachukki has to offer.
The landscape kept changing throughout our journey, and we were accompanied by many fellow travelers on the way. So we happened to spot the croacles as we were approaching the waterfall, and all such points where people tend to get into water are closed and have been inspected by police officials because the water level in the Kaveri river was pretty high during this time. 20 rupees of charge has to be paid for the forest department for entering into this waterfall area. We have reached the waterfall and we are super excited to visit this waterfall. So be ready for the reveal. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, finally, after 3 to 4 hours of drive from Bangalore, we are here at the Barachukki. So, as I walk that path, I'm just speechless. So this is Kaveri at full bloom. So as you can see, mesmerizing. It takes you out of the world. How do you like it, Farah? Yeah. So with a lot of fight, we could find out this place. I hope you're able to see the view from here. Really mesmerizing. You can see the mist coming over onto you. I'm not sure how the whole thing is being covered, but yeah, an amazing experience. Thank you all.
So there were many options outside the waterfall for the snacks, from ice creams to fruits to salads and more. And our favorite was this busy hot fella. So we have started towards the Gaganchukki waterfall, and before visiting the Mandya side, we would like to stop for some time at the Dargah viewpoint as well.
What you're looking at is the Dargah viewpoint. I mean, this is amazing experience. Probably, this is the closest that you can get to the waterfall. Amazing experience. I've been seeing this place for like last half an hour, and I don't feel like moving away. You also have a Dargah here in the back. That's the reason why it's called Dargah viewpoint. Not sure about the details. We'll be going after this so that I can let you know what we have here.
So we have started towards Gaganchukki waterfall, and the landscapes are really beautiful with water flowing at its full. Because of the poor connectivity of the internet around this area, we had to ask people for the directions towards the waterfall. So on the way to the Gaganchukki waterfalls of Mandya side, we happened to see a small hamlet where the people of Karnataka Electricity Board reside.
Hi folks, so this is the Gaganchukki side of waterfall. So as you have seen, we have been there at the Barachukki. That was the Dargah spot. You can actually see the low point where the water is flowing, and then that is where we have come. So this side is a Mandya district side of waterfall.
So that was all about the waterfalls, and we are returning back to home. So if the waterfalls are nearby to your place, then these are worth visiting during the monsoon season. So no cameras can click as good as what your eyes can capture. So plan for this trip and let us know how it was. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bite the Globe.